Hi, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and today we are making a lemon confetti soap.
Have you ever had like a soap that you didn't like the way it turned out? Well, we did. We didn't like the color of the soap, and the scent went away really fast. It's like only a couple months old soap, that takes to cure. Usually is like 4 to 5 weeks. But the scent was already going away, so we decided to remake the soap and using the soap that didn't work out to make a new soap. And we're going to show you if you want to see it. So keep watching. And also, I want to thank everybody that's subscribing to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up so we can make more videos and show you more of our technique. So let's go and make this soap and show you how we repurposed the soap we didn't like and make a new beautiful soap. There you go, let's go soaping.
Let's get soaping!
Okay guys, like I told you in the intro, we're using a soap that didn't turn out the color we wanted it. And then this one over here is like a really pale yellow. I really wanted a really nice bright yellow. It came out like this, like more like a beigey color. And what we used for the fragrance, we actually used essential oils, lemon essential oils that we bought from a different place that we usually buy our stuff from, and we really didn't like it because it just doesn't stay with the soap very long. And this was the top that we made, and what we did, we just cubed it like this. So like, it's going to be like a confetti now. It's going to be like a granite, confetti, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to use this over here from Brambleberry. Is a color, and actually it's called the Fizzy Lemonade. We're going to use that. And I'm using this fragrance oil from Crafter's Choice, and it's called the Freshly Zested Lemon, and it smells really, really good. So we'll see how this goes. And okay, so let's do this. Let's make this soap and see how it goes. Okay, so what I have in here, I have my usual oils, and it's the sweet almond oil and olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of castor oil for a bubbly effect. It makes the soap nice and bubbly. And I also have some sodium lactate. Alright, that makes sodium lactate is very nice because it makes your soap nice and harder. Also is a humectant, and it's good for your skin. Alright, so let's do this. First I'm gonna make my batter over here. I'm gonna do it in two parts. I made this one over here. This is for the bottom. So we're going to do the bottom of the soap first. Alright. So I'm going to do my usual thing, with the lye. I'm going to put the lye solution in here. In the oils. Like we usually do all the time. Nothing new there. Alright, and now we're gonna blend it, and I'm gonna mute this, skip it, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, now that everything is emulsified, all the oils, I'm gonna color this with the Fizzy Lemonade. See how yellow it gets? I want it really nice and yellow, and if it's not yellow enough, I may have to mix some more. Put some more in there. I like doing my colorants in oil. Mix them in oil. That's just the way I like it. I do, without doing that, sometimes just put them in there in powder. But this is my preferred method. And everybody, has their own thing, and there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody likes different stuff. Okay, so I mixed my my colorant with my soap here, and we're still like kind of just not very slow. Oh yeah, we were like a very light trace still. So I'm gonna put my fragrance lemony fragrance oil here. In there, that's really, oh, it smells so good. And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna try to mix it up by hand first, because I'm not sure if this rises or anything, because I never used this fragrance oil before. We're experimenting together. Oh, it smells so heavenly. So beautiful. I love the smell of the lemon. I want it to thicken up a little bit because I'm gonna be putting the confetti, you know, if we can call it confetti, our little chunks in here. And I don't want it to go all the way down the bottom. So I'm gonna be mixing this a little bit more with the blender, and I'll come back to you in a second. Okay, so now I like the consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. And one thing, you know, if you guys want to use this fragrance oil, it's actually really nice if you want to do something like swirls. It doesn't accelerate at all. Okay, so I'm going to put my chunks in here now. Hopefully all of them fit in there. And I measured out actually a little bit more, because what I want to do with this, I want to have enough to do some samples too. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it stay a little bit and see if they float, see if they go all the way down, because I don't want every bar to have some of this. So we're going to have some fun here. We're going to wait a little bit and see how they behave. So I'll see you guys, you know, I'm going to stop for a little bit and then come back, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna feel this out a little bit, not completely. I don't want to do like the whole thing. Like I said, I made extra. Okay, so while this sets up a little bit, I'm gonna make the top, the other tone that goes on top of it. Alright, so see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so we're going to make the top of the soap here. And it's going to be kind of like a whitish, you know, a whitish cream. And I'm going to put these guys in there too. Okay, that's for the topping. Okay, so I'm going to put my little colorant in here now. Titanium dioxide. Okay guys, so my topping here is ready. I'm gonna put it on top here. Seems like it's pretty nice and it's fluid, but not too fluid. So I like that. Oops, we had the TV on, so we forgot to turn it off. That's what you were hearing in the background. And these are going to be smaller bars because they're not made in our big mold, in our 5-pounder mold. But they're a pretty good size too. Okay. Okay, I don't like to have the top really plain like this. It's just me, I just don't like it. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of design. I'm going to use a little bit of buttercup mica in here with a little bit of almond oil, sweet almond oil. And I'm just going to go around and I'm just Okay guys, we're back and we're gonna cut this beauty today, and I am really happy the way it came out. The only problem I had, it was on top, it cracked a little bit, and I know why, because I did something different this time and I will never do that again. So we learned from our mistakes, but on the other end, I mean, this came out really well, so I can't complain. It looks fabulous, it smells fabulous. And here we are with our beautiful little sample bars here that I'm going to cut in half. You know, we always make sample bars now because people, if they want to, if somebody wants to try them, you know, they have a little bar to see if they really like it. So, and you can order those on Etsy too. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this beauty. Okay guys, so there we are. We're going to cut this beauty here. And this is, like I was saying before, it's kind of like a rebatch because I made a soap. I don't like the way it turned out, and the color and the smell. I know the flavor wasn't really good, but there you go. That's inside there. The way it looks, and the little bits over here. It's like a confetti soap, and on top too. And this is the top. So that's the way it is. So let's cut this baby. It's nice here. So we just wanna, while I'm cutting this, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit of a good news there. Some really good news. We are renting a booth at the Buckley Public Market that's opening on Friday, and it's this Friday, March 29th. We're gonna be there hopefully all year round, only on weekends though, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you want to see our products in person and buy them over there and come and see us, we are going to be there all the time from 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. If you don't live here in our area, we live in Western Washington, very close to Seattle, like about 30-40 minutes away from Seattle. We're very close to Tacoma, and you know, if you don't live in this area, you can always buy our soap at our Etsy shop. And I am trying to set up a Facebook shop too, so you can go on my Facebook page, Frankly Natural Beauty on Facebook, and like our page, and so you can get all the information, everything we're doing, every single product that we're making, we post it over there. And if you follow us on Instagram, it's better than anything else because I use Instagram a lot. I love taking pictures of my product and stuff that we do. So if you like that, follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram name is @fnatbeauty. So FNAT Beauty, okay? And we'll put a link underneath like we always do in our info box. And if you guys have comments, anything you want to know about us, our products, please, you know, let us know. You can email us on our Frankly Natural Beauty website, on our Etsy shop, email, and we'll be very happy to tell you anything you need to know about my company. Alright, so this is almost done, and I have 2 loaves, and this is gonna be ready, let's see, a few weeks from now, like 4 weeks from now. Let's see when. Okay guys, here they are. I finished cutting the 2 loaves, and this is the way they look. I think they're pretty cute. Our lemon confetti soap. And the top, actually, it's kind of interesting because it was turning kind of a pink at first. It usually disappears right away with this mica color, but I was worried about it because it was like more than a day into it and it was still pink, but it disappeared. You can see some of it right here. I don't know if the camera is going to pick up anything, but these still have a little bit of pink, but it's going away. Those are our little sample bars, and these are the main soap bars. Alright, if you guys want to pick up one of those bars, like I said before, you can come and see us at the Buckley Public Market this weekend. It's our grand opening, and we're going to have lots of more stuff. And if you don't live in our area, you can always go to our Etsy shop. On April 16th, I think we're gonna put them on the shop because they have to cure for about 4 weeks. So if you liked this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we can make more wonderful videos about soaping and other things that we make. And everybody have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be nice to each other. Love is the most important thing. I want to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.